The DCS-100E is a versatile controller which provides lighting control flexibility in a slim package. A cost-effective single-light controller, the DCS-100E is capable of driving multi-channel RGB or single high-power lights. Once connected, the DCS-100E utilizes a simple web-based interface to manage your light settings. This interface makes it easy to independently control 3 separate light channels. It also allows for seamless switching between light modes, including continuous, gated on-off, and strobe overdrive. Our SignaTech control system offers plug-and-play compatibility with AI lighting products. This allows AI lights to operate at maximum output under any operating conditions, all while maintaining the highest flux output, facilitating the longest LED lifetime, and protecting the light head from damage. For setup instructions for the DCS-100E controller, view the Quickstart video available below. And for more information on operating and driving lights with the DCS-100E, download the product manual, available in the Download section on the DCS-100E webpage.